Hello Holochain holders, welcome back to another video about Holo guys. Welcome and guys, congratulations to all Holo holders, because as you can see now on the screen, the Holochain is completely going profitable in the market and Holochain is in the huge profit guys. At this time, if you look the currently price of Holochain, so they are completely positive. Anyways, in this video I'm talking about that how much long Holo will continue this pump. So let me show you guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. Guys, the currently price of Holo is about 0.010508 USD dollar. And other side, if you talk about the update of Holochain, so that's great update for all of you, and I'm feeling very happy to see this update. Positive last 1 hour 4%, last 1 day 7%, in last 7 days is 13%. That's really profitable changes. Just let me show you the price chart. Wow, Holochain is in the huge pump, but you can see here guys, at this time the price dump for short time. So a lot of people message me due to this dump that when there is possibility. So I also told you that it is a temporary dump guys, don't worry. As you can see here now, again the price of Holochain start pumping, as I show you in the start of this video, that last 60 minutes, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes is positive. So this means that now in the latest situation, Holochain is again in the pump guys. So it's really a profitable coin, and I believe guys that Holo will continue this pump to the last of 30 October guys. So never decide to sell, just hold for long term. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Holochain? Share in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. As you can see here, 33% the price change is positive in last 30 days. So it's a profitable in the market. Just buy and just hold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.